Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a drop-down menu in Wix. First, navigate to your Wix editor and add a menu element from the Add Elements panel. Once placed, ensure your site's pages are organized correctly in the Site Pages section. Wix automatically creates a drop-down based on your page hierarchy, so simply drag and drop pages to create sub-items. This foundational step is crucial for a functional menu. Now, let's customize the look of your drop-down. Select your menu and click the design icon to open the design panel. Here, you can modify colors, fonts, and spacing for both main and sub-menu items. Experiment with different text styles and background colors to match your brand. You can also select animation effects, like a fade or slide, for how your submenus appear, enhancing user experience. Expanding your menu involves adding more sub-items and linking options. In the Site Pages Manager, simply drag a page underneath another and slightly to the right to make it a sub-item. You can also link any menu item to an external website, a document, or even an email address. For certain links, you might want to set them to open in a new browser tab, keeping visitors on your main site. For more advanced navigation, consider using anchor links to direct users to specific sections within a page. Wix also supports creating a mega menu, which allows for a larger, multi-column drop-down with more content. Always remember to check your menu's appearance and functionality on mobile devices. Ensuring mobile responsiveness is vital for providing a seamless experience across all screen sizes for every visitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.